The diagram represents competition between species 1 and species 2 according to Lotka-Volterra model of competition. Given the conditions in the diagram, the predicted outcome of competition is A. Unstable coexistence between species 1 and 2 because K1 greater than K2 by beta and K2 greater than K1 by alpha. B. Unstable coexistence between species 1 and 2 because K1 less than K2 by beta and K2 less than K1 by alpha. C. Stable coexistence between species 1 and 2 because K1 greater than K2 by beta and K2 greater than K1 by alpha. D. Stable coexistence between species 1 and 2 because K1 less than K2 by beta and K2 less than K1 by alpha. Answer A. Unstable coexistence between species 1, K1, and species 2, K2, because K1 greater than K2 by beta and K2 greater than K1 by alpha. Here, the carrying capacity of species 1, K1, is higher than the carrying capacity of species 2 divided by the competition coefficient, K2 by alpha 21. And the carrying capacity of species 2, K2, is higher than the carrying capacity of species 1 divided by the competition coefficient, K1 by alpha 12. Below both isoclines and above both isoclines the populations increase or decrease as in the first two scenarios. And there is an unstable equilibrium point, closed circle, where the isoclines intersect. For points above the dashed pink line, species 2 isocline, and below the solid yellow line, species 1 isocline, the outcome is the same as in the first scenario. Competitive exclusion of species 2 by species 1. On the other hand, for points above the solid yellow line, species 1 isocline, and below the dashed pink line, species 2 isocline, the outcome is the same as in the second scenario. Competitive exclusion of species 1 by species 2. The two stable equilibrium points are again represented by open circles. In this scenario, the outcome depends on the initial abundances of the two species.